Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious chicken yippee noodles. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of chicken breast, cut into bite-sized pieces. Grab 2 packs of instant ramen noodles, but set aside their seasoning packets for another use. Also, have 1 cup of your favorite mixed vegetables, like carrots and snap peas, ready to go. Finally, prepare 1/4 cup of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil for our flavorful sauce. Now, let's get cooking. Start by cutting your chicken breast into small, uniform pieces, ensuring even cooking. Next, thinly slice your chosen vegetables, like carrots and snap peas, so they cook quickly and stay crisp. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add the chicken and sauté it for about 5 minutes until it's fully cooked and lightly browned. While your chicken is cooking, boil the ramen noodles according to their package directions until tender, then drain them thoroughly. Once the chicken is cooked, add your sliced vegetables to the same pan. Pour in the prepared sauce, a mix of soy sauce and sesame oil. Finally, add the drained noodles and toss everything together gently until all ingredients are well combined and coated with the delicious sauce. Your chicken yippee noodles are almost ready. For a fresh touch, garnish your dish with some freshly chopped green onions. Serve the noodles immediately while they are still warm to enjoy the best flavor and texture. If you like a little heat, a dash of chili flakes can add a wonderful spicy kick. A sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds also adds a lovely nutty flavor and texture. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.